Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we got a nice little trade recap on FTFT. Alright guys, before we jump right on into this, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button right now. Right now, it's right there. Just smash that little subscribe button. Really helps me out, goes a long way. Lets me know you guys are watching and interested in the content I put out. Today I took one solid trade on, what was it, VTV? No, I'm sorry. FTFT. You can see how it's easy to confuse that name, that ticker. I took that one trade. And also right now I was watching one here that was really interesting. I want to show it to you guys. Let me see if I can grab that over here real quick. Look at this. This had news today. PHUN has a 17 million float. I didn't see any of this. I saw it when it was halted already. I wasn't going to trade it. I was already done and had no interest in giving back my profits. I do have a live trade recorded for you guys. The full trade this time recorded for you. That I will play here in a second. But look at this, halted here at 640, resumed. Golly, look at that move all the way $1. Damn. And then look at that dump, and now it's definitely halted again. Well, I wonder who's gonna take the blame for that one on YouTube. But anyways, my trade today was on FTFT. Had news. We had GLG, another one that had news. Let me bring over my... So we had FTFT right here and GLG. I initially thought GLG was going to be the one to make a nice move today, but it really hasn't done a whole lot either. Let's take a look at that chart. I mean, it did make one move. Here you go. It had a nice big... The problem with this stock is that the big move happened yesterday. That dollar move happened yesterday in after hours. And then we had another nice, couple moves here in pre-market. And then at the bell, we did have one really nice move. But see, it's just like one big move. It's really choppy in here. Kind of gave this U shape right here. But it's not clean right now. That's why I'm not even interested on it. But that was, one of the ones there that made some big moves. Then we had FTFT. And FTFT also had a very nice pre-market move. Here you go. From basically $1.97 or so all the way up to, golly, $2.54. Talk about a nice move. But then it sold off. But I like these. I like these when they sell off after such a big move in pre-market. Gives us an opportunity to get in, at a decent price. So that was my plan here. We had this sell-off, and then I was a little late to the party because usually I try to take, my starter entry around here and then add on the VWAP break. In this case today, my trade was it was based on VWAP. It was a VWAP break on volume, and that's where I got long, and I took profit pretty much immediately in this candle here. It's 239 the top. I got out at 234. So not a bad move. Why didn't I wait until the 250s or higher day up here, near 270? Because, the high day is 269. Because the problem is we haven't been seeing huge moves lately. So I just wanted to take my profit and get out of the way. Let me get that trade over here for you guys. Put this scanner back. Trade idea scanner. Links in the description below with a coupon code if you're interested. And I believe this is it here. Yep. Whoops. Here we go. Want to make sure you could see that. Yeah, there you go. You can see that. Here's the chart. I'm in 1,000 shares. Cost base is 213. I'm sorry, 500 shares. Cost is 213 on those. I add as we start to squeeze. And I add as we start to... What? Sorry about that, guys. Let me try to get that back up here. Here we go. I add as we start to squeeze over this pivot point basically right here. In this candle, that's when I add. Let's get this playing. So that we are 500 shares. Cost base is 213. I add my 1,000 right there as we squeeze over that pivot point. And now I'm looking to take profit into the big squeeze up to 250. But I don't see this volume increasing. You see this volume? I don't really see that volume going. So bam, I take my profit right there. It does, make a little push, but what was it? 237 was the high of that candle. So I'm glad I took that profit. I know it was quick. I'm gonna put it back up here for you guys again. You can see there, my cost basis is 216 and I exit at 234. So that's a nice move right there, about 17, 18 cents a share, almost 20 cents. Not bad with 1,000 shares, you know? So there's where I closed it off, right there. Bam. Closed off right there and took my profit and went home. That's pretty much it. Then the stock, you can see here, that's the candle I sold into, and ever since then it's been having a hard time getting back over VWAP. You got the 90 MA now here. Maybe we got a pop, but volume's been very, very light. We need a big volume bar to get this to squeeze back over this 220 pivot area, and then we might see a test of high day. Then we might see it. But outside of that, I really don't see anything else going on the scans. Let me put my trade ideas chart here for you. And I'm going to start showing you some of the, well, that's FTFT. We're watching that. GLG. I mean, it could go too, but I like FTFT better. As a matter of fact, FTFT showing some green on the tape there. If I can move this chart out of the way, we could see. I mean, if it starts to hold VWAP, it might, you know, it might trigger there. BLIN, nothing there. I mean, that's just 27-cent stock. I mean, that's a move from 22 to 30. It's not bad, 8-cent move on, you know, such a small stock. This is a buyout, basically. Was some sort of merger. And then you have VTL now making, you know, it's made a nice little move here. Not bad at all, from 60 cents to, what is it, 77 cents. That's a nice move. VTL has been a mover. It's got a decent daily. We got to keep that one on watch moving forward into tomorrow. But that's it. That's it for me today. Let me show you my orders right here. Initial buy, 500 shares, 212. Add 217. Exit 234. That was it for me right there. What did you do today? Let me know in the comment section below. What did you trade? Entries and exits. How did you do? Any questions as well regarding any of what we just went over? Drop it down there in the comment section. Be happy to talk. Remember to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you on the next one.